Write down, children. Find the value. Find 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22. 5 by 22. Here, how you supposed to add this number? I want to know.
We have to make the denominator same.
That is one way, or else in any other way is there? Simple way is there? That is one way as making denominators as like, so that you are going very good. Bhavya, please.
Ma'am, I guess we can cut, ma'am.
Which one we supposed to cut here?
Ma'am, for multiplication, no cutting.
Yes, it is
Not for
multiplication, Bhavya, but it is addition. We are unable to cut over here.
Ma'am, I didn't answer, ma'am.
Okay, now I want from Ayush. Ayush, by seeing denominators, any correlation between the denominators you see here? Is 7 and 21 have a relation, right? 7 and 21.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the relation?
Ma'am,
And
we can
7,
multiply
21 and 11
3
and
by
7
22.
3s are 21, ma'am.
Can you make a travel this number here? Say 3 plus 7
ma'am into 3 into 3.
minus, right, that's okay. Then is the see the second part and the last part you see. Ayush, what is
Ma'am,
second
into
part?
3 into 2.
Yeah, minus 6 by 11 plus 5 by 21. If you make a pair like that, it is very easy, children. Why? Because what is the denominator here? You have to take LCM multiplied with the 3 here, so that these two numbers become denominators the same. If you multiplied with the 2 here, these two parts become like. Now our task is more simple. 9 upon 9 by 21 plus into minus minus 8 by 21 plus here minus 12 by 22 plus 5 by 22. Now you have to combine. These are like, you can combine.
1 by 21 plus, ma'am, is
1 by
minus
21
7 by
plus
22.
Yeah, Vishnu, I want Ritvik. Are you there, Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik, please, what is the 9 minus 8?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
9 minus 8.
Ma'am, 9 minus 8 is 1, ma'am. So it is 1 by 21 plus minus 7 by 22.
Minus 7 by 22. So that this number we can write it as plus into minus again. How you supposed to write here?
Ma'am, can you repeat, ma'am?
Yeah, this is how you supposed to write here. Minus 1 minus 7 by 22.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so we get minus. Ma'am,
Now,
no, ma'am. Ma'am,
now
we should multiply the denominator.
why we should multiply denominators?
Ma'am, because they don't have common factor.
Now Abhinav should be respond. Abhinav, these two numbers are consecutive numbers, Abhinav, denominators. Consecutive numbers means continuous numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Yes, so that what is LCM? Product.
Ma'am, into 21 into 22.
Yes, product is the LCM. Wonderful, product. Come on now, you just make as a product as LCM, we know that. So first number which you are supposed to multiply with 22 by 21 into 22 minus 7 multiplied with 21 by 21 into 22. Now both are like, no? You can take a 21 multiplied with 22 over here. This is 22 minus 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. It's nothing but 22 minus 147, Nana. Integers concept. Integers, who are good at integers? Yes, very good. What is the value of 22 minus 147? And 22 into 21. Come on, quick answers I want. Who will give first chart? I am seeing here. Who are giving first response?
ma'am minus 152.
Minus 125, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
Minus 125, ma'am.
Okay, 120.
Minus 125, ma'am.
Denominator also you supposed to give. Who will give the complete answer first? I'm checking. Come on, come on, come on. Abhinav, come on, quick. Ayush, Ayush. Right, Bhavya, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the value of 21 into 22?
Ma'am, 462.
Very good, 462. Good. What is numerator? Already Harshita said it's minus
Minus 126.
120.
5, ma'am. Minus 120.
555.
Right, Nana. This is the way you can simplify. This is the way you can simplify. See children, by doing which property we are using here, which property, number is traveling here. Yes or no, Bhavya? Number is traveling here. That means commutative property we are using. And also we are making pairs, like we are making pairs, these first two numbers as a group, second two numbers as a group, so that we are using both commutativity and associativity. You have to mention the property name also, children. You have to mention the property name. Since from, you have to mention the property name. Why? Because since commutative and associativity, by using commutativity and associativity. Commutativity and associativity. By using commutativity and associativity. Yes, my question for the students. So do you think this property of commutativity and associativity made this calculation easier or difficult?
Easier.
I'm here.
Easier. Very good.
Easier.
If you do normal method, your denominator, I think some big number you will get, children. 462 you make as a common means it is really tough task. Using properties, this makes your calculation easier.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Mama. Can I clean my board, children, so that we will go with the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, children. You should be little faster. First two classes we are going little slow. Now you have to be little faster. Find minus 4 by 5. Now you supposed to give answer in the chat box. Who will give first answer? I will appreciate those. 15 by 16 multiplied with minus 14 upon 9. Minus 14 upon 9. This is completely multiplication, children. This is completely multiplication. You have to see here. By seeing anything happening here,
Ma'am, I understood, ma'am, how to do this.
wonderful Vishnu, wonderful. Which we can do in many methods, children. Which one I am using my method? I am using the properties here. Minus 4 by 5 multiplied with 3 by 7 multiplied with 15 upon 16. 16 upon 15 multiplied with 9 upon 14. So it's nothing but minus 14 by 9. Minus 14 by 9. Kunal, I'm in the class. I'll call you. I'll call back you, Kunal. Yeah, I'm getting answers too from my students. Very good. Let me check who is giving first answer. I think Ayush, you are trying, but you need to reduce more part, and sign also somewhere we are missing. Harshita, you have to say more further, you can reduce that part. Very good, Ayush Mishra and
Ma'am,
Harshita, you are trying your.
ma'am, can Ma'am, can I say the answer now? I forgot to reduce, ma'am.
Okay.
Minus 1/2.
Right. Is it minus 1/2 or plus 1/2? I want.
Minus 1/2, ma'am. Oh, yeah.
Listen.
Yes, ma'am. Plus
See,
1/2.
this is one time. Here one time negative is there. Here one time. Total how many times, children? This is one time. This is one time. Total together 2 times you have negative sign.
They cancel out each other.
Yeah, cancel over each other, and odd number, even number of times means always positive, children. Odd number of times means it is negative. That you have to keep in the mind. Come on, children. Now which one we can make over here? I'm taking together 5, this part together, and this part together I'm taking. First minus 4 by 5, 15 by 16 I make as a second order, and third, in the third order I'm taking as 3 by 7, and minus 14 by 9, so that my calculations become simple over here. 5 threes are 15. This is one part, and 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. Here 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. Here what is the value here? Minus 3 by 4 multiplied with minus 2 by 3. You have to check over here, children. Any cancellation happening here? 3 gets
Ma'am, I got correct
2
only,
ones are
ma'am.
2 twos are. So minus into minus plus, it becomes 1 by 2. It's become 1 by 2. In this case, which properties we are using, children? In this case, we are using commutativity and associativity. Commutativity and associativity both.
Associativity.
Yes, we are using commutativity and associativity. Write down the property name also, children. Commutativity means number is shifting, number shifting. And associativity, we are grouping the number and calculating. Commutativity and associativity.
Ma'am, I forgot to put the denominator, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the common mistakes done by the students. Please don't. No need, children. No need to running race here. You can understand and do the sums. Children, in the rational numbers, what is the additive identity? Additive identity for rational numbers, children.
0.
Ma'am, 1.
Who said 0 and who said 1?
Ma'am, Abhinav said 1.
Abhinav said 1. It's wrong, Abhinav. Why? Because
It is 0.
yeah, it is 0. Why? Additive means add. If you add what number, the result is the, suppose my rational number you see here. Rational number 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. If I add what number, you are getting the same rational number?
0, ma'am.
0.
Yes, ma'am.
So 0 is additive identity, Nana. Additive 0 is called additive identity. Important point, please note down. 0 is called the additive identity. Additive,
1 is the multiplicative identity.
right. Additive identity. The same way you have to check other property. What number if you multiply, same rational number you take. What number if you multiply, you will get the same result, children. Any number?
1, ma'am.
1.
1.
1, ma'am.
1 is the multiplicative identity.
So that one is called multiplicative identity of rational numbers.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Maybe network issue, children. Nothing to worry. You're supposed to multiplicative identity is 1, additive identity is 0. One more concept. What is negative of a number? If you take any rational number, what is negative of a number, children?
Additive inverse.
Very good. Who is that?
Additive inverse.
Very good, Vishnu. Very good. Anything if you take a negative of a number is always additive inverse to them. Yes, negative of a number is always additive inverse. Is always. You see, children, how it happens. Negative of number is always
Additive inverse.
how one example we'll go that so that you will understand further. Suppose I'm taking 2 by 3. 2 by 3, if what number, if negative of this number, what is the negative of 2 by 3, children?
Minus
Minus 2 by 3.
minus 2 by 3.
If you combine these two,
That equal to 0, 0, 0.
Very good. What is that additive?
Additive inverse.
Right. Negative of
Ma'am,
number is
because-
always additive inverse. Additive inverse. Anything, if you're supposed to take another number like a minus 7 by 3, what is a minus 7 by 3? Negative number, children. What is
7 by 3. 7 by 3.
Right.
7 by 3,
Combine
ma'am.
these two
That
numbers.
equal to 0.
Right. Always you have to think for general formulas, children. General formula means negative of a by b. What is a by b negative? Minus a.
Minus a baby.
Right. If you combine these two, you are getting additive inverse. Minus a by b both becomes 0 and you are getting additive inverse. Next one. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Both are same, children. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, both are same. What is the reciprocal of a number?
Ma'am, it is twisted down, ma'am. The numerator becomes denominator. Denominator becomes numerator.
That's all.
Interchanging.
Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Another name.
And they use in division.
Yeah, another name is multiplicative inverse. Yes. Suppose I want a reciprocal of 7 by 3.
3 by 7. 3 by 7.
Right. 3 by 7. Reciprocal of minus 3 by 7.
Minus 7 by 3.
Minus 7 by 3. If you see, children, suppose my number in this case I'm taking, first case I'm taking 7 by 3. If I multiplied with the reciprocal of this number, what happens, children? What happens? You're getting
1, ma'am.
1. The same way, second part also you see. If I multiplied with the reciprocal, any number with this reciprocal, you are getting value as 1. Here everything will cancel over.
Yes, ma'am.
1. So that we are call it as a multiplicative inverse. So we call it as multiplicative inverse. Before case it is additive inverse. Here it is in reciprocal case it is multiplicative inverse. So don't forget these points, children. Negative of number is always additive inverse. Multiplicative inverse is nothing but a reciprocal. Any number. Right. Yeah, these are the basic part we supposed to discuss in this chapter. Now we'll go with the distributive property. What is distributive property, children? I'm taking a distributive property as mother and children property. Why? Mother is distributed her love and affection towards both the kids. Suppose she is general formula I'm writing A multiplied with B plus
A into B plus C.
A into B plus
A into C plus A into
C. Both numbers. So you see here why I'm saying mother. And these are children. Child 1, child 2. So here mother is sharing her love and affection towards the first child the same way she is going to share with the second child. So A multiplied with first child, mother is sharing and caring first child.
Ma'am, there is a lot of disturbance, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone has unmuted There's a lot of disturbance.
Children, please always mute your mic, children. That's mandatory. I'm not going to repeat the instructions every day. Please always try to mute yourself. When lecturer is anything happening in the classroom, you always try to mute yourself. Come on, children, based on this distributive property of multiplication of rational numbers, we'll go with some.
Ma'am, it has started now, ma'am.
Yes, please let me check who is that. No, everyone are muted here. I can see everyone are muted.
No, ma'am, I checked before you. Only him unmuted.
Divyesh, why too late today to the class?
Sorry, ma'am.
Why late, my dear? Any busy?
No, ma'am. I joined the science class. Intended like 1 minute.
Okay. Yes, we are discussing just the basic properties of rational numbers. In that, we are doing distributive. Find the find using distributive property. Find using distributive property. Distributive property. Always, children, distributive property means you have to think about mother and children. So mother is sharing for both, not for a single. So that you always write A into B plus A into C. Find using distributive property.
And this also applies for subtraction, right?
Yes, it is applicable for subtraction too. Wonderful, very good. First question in that, 7 by 5 multiplied with brackets I'm taking here for your convenience, minus 3 by 12, end up, this is one part, this is one part is given, then second part is uh, 7 by 5 multiplied with 5 by 12. This is the thing. Now my question, who is mother in this expression? Mother is
7 by
equal.
7 by 5.
Very good. Mother is equal, commonly distributed mother here. So 7 by 5. Who are children? Use your bracket, children. Who are children? Child 1. Who is?
Ma'am, minus 3 by 12 and 5 by 12.
Yes, child 1 is 3 by 12. Whatever the sign, you have to take the same sign. And second child is 5 by 12. So that you have to use your property, your distributive property. Now you see, children, instead of doing complete thing, we can easily solve over here. It's nothing but denominators are like, you can combine the numerators. It's minus 3 plus 5 is it's minus 3 plus 5 is how much, children? It's
2.
2.
2 by 12. 2 by 12 we can cut and write it as 1 by 6 2. So answer is 7 by 5 6 are 30. 7 by 30 is your answer. 7 by 30. Can I give one more sum so that you can do here, children? Come on, please work on the bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, do this bit and give first answer. I'm waiting for first response. Very good. All supposed to be try to get a correct answer, children. Yes.
Ma'am, it is 1 by 3. Ma'am, it is 9 by 16 multiplied by 1 by 3. Ma'am, final answer is 9 by.
Yes, put in the chat box, Ritvik, so that I can see and appreciate. Yes. Who is mother? Mother is commonly distributed. You see, mother, take outside the bracket, use and what is the sign inside? Please try it and do it, children. Come on, quick. Yes. I can see the answer from which child, the answer from first answer from, I didn't get, Abhinav muted. Okay, I didn't get it, the message. I'm waiting for my students' response. Who are giving first? By seeing it, since the common is mother children, you take outside mother, first step. Step 1, take outside mother.
9 by 16. ma'am.
Use the brackets. First child 1 is here 4 by 12. Child 2 is minus plus into minus 3 by 9. Now you have to do this as 9 by 16 multiplied with. You can even reduce this, children, to make your calculation so simple. You have to reduce and do your sums. I can get answer from the student. Very good, very good, very good. Harshita, 9 by 16. Okay, Harshita, let me check whether it is correct or not. Very good, you are giving first response.
Ma'am, I give the first response.
Bhavya, you gave the answer?
Yes, ma'am, on top.
Wait a minute, no, I didn't check that, sorry. Yeah, Bhavya, it is 0. Bhavya given as 0, Harshita given as 9 by 16. Who's correct? Let me check now. Whether Bhavya or Harshita. I'm seeing girls only giving answers. What about the boys? Boys, are you there?
Ma'am, actually it is 0 only, ma'am.
Okay, let me check, ma. 1 by 3 here. This is also 1 by
Ma'am,
3.
it is 0 only, ma'am. I wrote wrong.
Very good. Bhavya, clap for you. Very good, Bhavya. Good job. 9 multiplied with 0 is nothing but 0. Wonderful, wonderful, Bhavya. Good.
Ma'am, anything multiplied with 0 is 0.
Any number. That's why in the classroom also you're supposed to make a little friendship with the positive nature, for positive thinkers. Or else, if you make like a friendship with the zeros, you are also going back, children. That's why always should be think, and you can make friendship with the zeros also, but take the positive things, not negative things. Okay, next. Any number multiplied with 0 is always 0. Next one, what we are going to, third bit, please. Write additive inverse, Nana. Write additive inverse for the following. Write the additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse means if you add that number, you will get answer as 0. That you have to think and write. It's nothing but minus 7 by 19. What is additive inverse of
7 by 19. 7 by 19.
7 by 19, ma'am.
Very good. 7 by 19. If you combine, you will get 0. Very good. So this is the additive inverse. Next, 21 by 112.
20 minus 21 by 112.
Minus 21 by 112. So this is the additive inverse, right? Next, negative of a number. What I said, children, negative of a number means
Is additive inverse only, ma'am.
very good. Negative of a number is also additive inverse.
Additive inverse.
Why you didn't respond? You should respond quickly, children. Come on. Next one.
Ma'am, it's negative is not for all, right?
Only
It is only for positive numbers. For negative numbers, it will not be negative.
Yes, right, Nana, right. Negative cases again. What happens? Next, the fourth bit. Children, please, fourth bit. Fine. I won't do on the screen. Please try to do this bit too. 2 by 5. Use the property minus 3 by 7. Minus 1 by 14. Minus, just a minute, children. Minus 3 by 7 multiplied with 3 by 5. No. You see how many expressions are there, how many terms are there. This is one term, this is second term, this is third term. In these three terms, any number is common over here. Any number is a
3 by 7,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Two numbers are
which
2 by 5 and 3 by 5, minus 3 by 7 and minus 3 by
2
7.
by 5 is
And
not there. Where 2 by 5? 2 by 5 is not there. Only one number is common in first and third. So I am taking as first and third together. You just see children, minus 3 by 7. It's minus 3 by 7. Sorry, it's minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. Or else directly also you can take over here minus. So now which number is common in these two?
Minus
3 by
3 by
7.
7.
Very good. You take
Minus 3
out,
by 7.
you
It can be
take
cancelled.
outside mother children. You take outside mother. Use your bracket. Inside children are 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. 2 by 5 and 3 by 5 minus 1 by 14, so that it becomes minus 3 by 7. Both are like, means you can add up and write it as 5 by 5. It's 1 children. 5 by 5 is nothing but 1. You can cancel and you have to write it as 1. Now what is the denominator? What is left over here? Minus 3 by 7 minus
The
1.
answer is mass.
Right. Very good, Nana. You just make it as 2. Because LCM is 14, so the 3 2s are minus 6, minus 1 by 14. It's minus 7 by 14. Minus 7 by 14, how much children? Which property?
Minus 1 by 2.
Now my question is, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush, which property we are using here? Which property we are using here? Come on.
Ma'am, we use distributive.
Not only distributive, Bhavya.
No, ma'am, distributive and associative.
Associative, even number also we shifted, right? One term, complete term we shifted.
Yes, ma'am, commutative.
That means what property we are using?
Commutative, ma'am.
Yes, commutative property we are using. Commutative property and distributive property we are using. Very good. Children, today please start doing your exercise 1.1. Children, try it so that if any doubts, I'll help you in next class. Yes, children.
Ma'am, where is the exercises, ma'am? In Google Classroom, ma'am.
Yeah, you can download the textbook, NCERT textbook from your Google Classroom. Children, if you have anyone sharing link, please can you share to Harshita, please, in the chat box, so that the student can access and she can solve the sums, please. Bhavya, Google Classroom, you have that worksheet part you only asked, right? Worksheets.
Ma'am, can you add me to the Google Classroom, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. They will add up. They will add up. Don't worry. They will add up you. Sir, once you have to send Rahul sir the small message to Rahul sir, so he will add in Google Classroom too.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhavya, today I'll upload that question bank to the 8th B class too, because it is there in 8th class A. I will do that part to B also, so that you can access many questions from that bank and you can practice. Okay, right, Nana. Children, that's all for the day. Today I won't take till 8:15. I will end up now. If you, Harshita, you got any link from a student?
No, ma'am.
Children, anyone?
Ma'am, but they sent it in the group, ma'am.
Okay.
Eight.
You sent already?
Ma'am, sir sent, I guess.
Okay, please. Long back I sent, but Harshita is not there, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Please, if it is with you, please, Abhinav, share with in the group so that student can.
Okay, ma'am.
Great. Thank you, Nana. Thank you. Any doubts here today's class? Ayush, any doubt, Ayush?
No, ma'am.
Ayush.
No, ma'am.
children, don't sit always in front of the screen, children. Whenever I'm asking to stand, please try to stand, children. Please, my sincere request. I know that students, how much time they are sitting in front of. If you stand, you are unable to write. I know that part. If any query is happening, that time at least you're supposed to stand sometime. Don't sit much time in the in front of the screen, please. Okay, children. Bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Meet in next class. Bhavya shared that link for you. Harshita, see in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am. I saw, ma'am.
Okay. What, Abhinav? It's fast. That was fast. Thank you. Right. Shall I end up class right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, ma'am. Right. Bye. Take care, children. Bye. See you. Have a nice day.